The lighting is actually really good in here. Stoves, I didn't notice those. Like y'all have great lighting.
Church lights.
Yeah, it's the amphitheater lights. Alright, y'all, I'm about to eat these chips that she has me trying with, let me see, barbecue salt, vinegar, and ketchup. So,
She's gonna shake your head because ain't no way they nasty. Getting a little taste if you were a little hesitant.
I don't know, it's gotta grow on me.
You like them? Do you like them?
And you like those.
You don't like them? Really? You the first
Like you said they were fire. And then I took a bite, you like, oh yeah, this fire, it's good. You were so convinced.
How do you not like them?
Like 1 out of 10? That's so full.
Just eat barbecue. Just get you some barbecue.
That's how you know you, yeah. And you just enjoying it. Nah, your taste buds is different. So now I know if you say, oh, this good, try this.
I hope this thing's good. You didn't good.
I don't trust your taste buds.
Well.
I'm just digging because I'm chocolate, so good lighting is a must. And it's hard to come by, but when lighting is good, you know what I mean? And you gonna hit me with copyrighted music. It's not right. But the lighting is fair. The lighting is fair. I'll edit it accordingly, like I'll just take out, you know. But I had to admire the light. The light is good. And I got on white and it's making me look darker. No, okay, and if I am, men don't get compliments. Comparing a man to a woman, we don't get compliments because you can go to pump your gas and pump it. And, you know, you coming back with 5 numbers if you want it. See how you feeling good? The light, you see, make sure I look good. And we can go pump our gas, and we just pumping our gas every time. We go shopping, we go to the mall. You know everybody at the mall. I go handle my business. I don't have no issues whatsoever. You do the same thing, it's not gonna be the same. And you know it's true.
It don't matter though.
Women get way more compliments. So if you compare the both.
I compliment you.
But we're talking about gender versus gender. Men getting compliments versus women getting compliments. We don't get compliments.
It's true.
Y'all do.
But you just gotta catch it. When a female give you this look.
We're talking about verbal. We're talking about somebody stopping you out of your day. Y'all get, hey, yo, shorty. Y'all get all that.
When is that bowl?
Women get complimented more.
That's true.
And we don't like that. If we get complimented, it's in Atlanta, somewhere where everybody is sweetie pie honey bun, and it's a handful of men like myself available at the disposal of the women that are seeking and looking. Am I wrong? Because I got somebody that can attest. I know someone in Atlanta that can attest and back me up.
I said you're right, but you look. So it's up to you to approach us when we look, so we can compliment you.
So you telling me women don't compliment, y'all just look. And the look we have to look for, and that's how we know to pursue. So what is the look?
Wait.
Rest my case. You doing this one next?
Yeah.
Garlic powder. Alright, let me know when to stop. Because you know the garlic powder got to hit.
Keep on. Okay.
Indeed. What you got next? Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Show it them.
You know they can't afford the stuff you buy. None of us can. Oh, this comes out different. You gotta like.
Right. I said I. Okay. Yeah.
I was having fun with this one. This one was one. It sounded like Fruity Pebbles crushed up.
Okay, nice.
Now mix it. Now we gotta get dirty with it and make sure the band don't get messed up, you know. Oh, this feels horrible. Here's the thing, y'all. I care about people so much. I saw her trying it. And I was like, let's not mess the nails up. I can do it. You know, I don't have nails. I can re-manicure my nails later. That's care, man. That's a great level of care.
It's a little thoughtful. Thank you. Okay, everything coated?
Everything is coated. Hold on, I gotta get this corner real quick. Okay, now we good. So you gotta make sure everything is right and even. Alright, y'all, so right now we are doing steak bites that we prepping. That's what you just saw me, you know, coating up with the seasonings and flavors. And she's prepping the shrimp right now. She actually told me not to eat. She said, don't eat anything, come hungry, come starved. And she feels bad because that was an evil thing to say. She said, don't eat, come hungry, come ready to eat. We're not eating for another 3 hours because we gotta prepare everything and make sure.
This doesn't take long. I give it about 40 minutes.
So 3 hours and 40 minutes, excuse me.
I have a special seasoning that I bought when I was out of town.
Because you be traveling, because you got motion.
We went out of town for my dad's birthday.
Okay.
And who you know who goes out of town and buys seasoning?
Chefs.
So I got this garlic butter.
Okay. Hold on, it's not focusing. Okay, there we go.
It's special made by black people.
Okay, so it's gonna hit.
Yeah. 0 to no sodium.
Okay. Okay.
How about another one?
So Mike's got the stuff.
Spicy recipe. And he was trying to flirt when he gave me this. He was like, it's just like you, so hot.
Oh my God.
That was so corny.
That's crazy. So you got it all free?
No.
Oh, you got a discount.
You wouldn't flirt that much.
Gotta take my job.
How you feel?
Hungry, because somebody told me to starve today. Said, come pull up, but don't come full, come hungry, like starve, like your stomach touching your back. If your stomach not touching your back, don't come to the door. What do you think is gonna get done first between the shrimp and the steak bites?
Probably at the same time. Probably the shrimp.
At the same time?
The shrimp.
The shrimp.
Okay, scale of 1 to 10. How is everything smelling?
Right now I'm starting to smell the shrimp. It smells, it's a 20 out of 10. I'm hungry because you told me to starve, so I'm smelling the steak. Alright, so if somebody made you a meal, what would be like the ideal meal that you would like cooked and prep for you? Like, what would it be? Down from like main dish to like the sides to the beverage, the wine, whatever it is, the ciders. What all would that be top to bottom?
Chicken wings. I like to get chicken wings, but I want some pasta.
Okay.
A salad. And to drink. Lemonade.
Regular or strawberry? Strawberry, like strawberry
Strawberry lemonade in a nice glass.
Okay, so bougie glass of strawberry lemonade, wings, salad. I don't know why the salad is in there. Like,
Ooh, pasta, wings, and salad. That sounds fast, but that's good.
I mean, when you incorporate the salad in there, it doesn't sound like you're really trying to be
You don't eat.
on the safe side.
You don't eat salad with pasta.
Salad with pasta and wings and
Alfredo.
now Alfredo is different.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, talking about Alfredo. But Alfredo is just good alone. Like Alfredo is so good. I don't even need breadsticks or anything like that if I'm having Alfredo. To be honest.
That's what I make for you next thing. I make my own Alfredo sauce.
Say no more.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This food is starting to cook, and I haven't ate. When I tell you I haven't ate nothing, I have not had a bite to eat today, and it is approximately 6:45 p.m. Eastern time, and I'm smelling this food right now, and it's like, it's the flesh is weak. I get a piece. Well, it's consumed now. Appreciate it. You can put another as many as you want on there.
Nope.
If you want to, 'cause I feel like one piece is not enough.
Okay, two. But then work with it.
Two.
No more.
Okay, it needs to be a big piece. It's not big enough. I'm gonna just eat it, and I'm gonna let you put a bigger piece on it.
You can fix your plate.
Bless the name of Jesus. Yeah. I need to know if you ate today.
I did.
What did? So how am I supposed to come with my big appetite, hungry, and you ate?
But if I eat in the morning, I'm good.
So what time?
You could eat your banana, but you could.
So you woke up early this morning.
Well,
So when did you eat? And what did you eat?
it was about 9:30. I ate a half an egg sandwich.
So I can wait on you. I'm patient. Patience is, what is patience? It's the fruit of the spirit. Yes, yes, it is. So y'all, she's now prepped the plate, and here's the finishing product. It is delightful. I said grace like 30 minutes ago, so I'm about to go ahead and go to the other room so I can dive in.